These stone chairs make a great addition to a paver patio because they are created from paved stone rumble stone blocks. The large, medium, and mini-size blocks are laid in a U-shaped pattern that is 24.5 inches deep and 35 inches wide. Polyurethane construction adhesive is applied to the top of each row before the next one is laid on top of it. The pattern varies with each new row so that there are no continuous seams from the bottom to the top of the chair. This makes the structure stronger and gives it more visual interest too. When the chair reaches 24.5 inches high, traps or trapezoid blocks are used to fill in the back. The traps are glued on both the bottom and the sides, and the angled edges form the perfect angle for the chair's back. Inside the legs of the chair, 4 45mm large blocks are glued in place vertically to support the seat, which is simply made up from 4 2x4s and a couple of 2x2 cleats. The result is a comfy chair that's sure to be a conversation starter.